Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkins Nurseries, and I am ready for spring, and I'm sure that you are also. And so today we're going to show you how to create a spring planter for your home. So I've taken my insert here from home out of my pot, and I've dumped out all of the soil that was inside of it. It's always a good idea to start with fresh soil and to use something like a nutrient-rich potting soil. You're going to simply fill your planter all the way to the top. I like to use an insert because it just makes switching it out in between seasons really easy. And that way, if I do need to bring my planter in out of the cold, I simply can pop it in and out as I need to. There's not a lot of tools that you need for this job. Really, just your hands and probably a set of pruners. So once your planter is filled to the top with fresh potting soil, you're going to start to arrange your different items. So I'm going to show you some of the different plants that we're going to put into our planter today. So here I've got some gorgeous Dutch Master daffodils, and I want to add that into the back of my planter for a little bit of height. We also have some amazing sweet scented hyacinths. They'll basically knock your socks off with their smell. And they're really fantastic for a pop of color. I especially love the white, it's so bright. We're going to use things like our violas, our mammoth pansies, our alyssum. Alyssum isn't annual, but it can tolerate the cold really well. We also have Sedum Angelina, which is a beautiful chartreuse color. And these, my absolute favorite. They're new this year. They're called Frizzle Sizzle Pansies. And they have this really beautiful, delicate ruffling all around the exterior. They come in a bunch of different colors, and they're sure to add some wow into your planter. We also have some sphagnum moss that I'm going to use to decorate the top. And I love adding some curly willow in for height. We also have pussy willow here in store. So to begin, I love to set my plants around. And imagine what it will look like before I begin planting. And so we begin. So I am so excited to add the spring planter to my home for a pop of great color and for some sweet fragrance. So this planter here I can put out in the day, but it's a good idea at least for the first few days to take it indoors at nighttime. And that's because these plants are all greenhouse grown, and so they're not quite used to that cold weather we have outside yet. But outdoors in the day is great. Indoors just for a few days, just to acclimatize them to our temperatures. Once they're acclimatized, no problem, they can handle a light frost. When winter fades, we know that spring will come, and it brings so much joy. So come on into Sipkins Nurseries, grab your spring flowering plants, come for a stroll in the garden center here. It's sure to boost your spirits. Or you can also pick up one of our ready-made Spring Charm planters here at Sipkins. Thank you so much for watching, and happy spring.